And we'll conclude this afternoon's draw by conducting the Central Region draw for the JD Welsh Cup second qualifying round. Nawn ni orffan yr rhan yma o'r draw heddiw drwy wneud gema o'r canolbarth. Over to you, please, Mark. Pennin Coch. Llanidloes Town. Carno. Llanrhaeadr y Mochnant. Knighton Town. Against Welshpool Town. Aberyw. Machynlleth. Waterloo Rovers. Tywyn Bryn Crug. Aberaeron. Against Montgomery Town. And the final one. Bow Street. Against Hay St Mary. And that concludes the draw for the second qualifying round of the JD Welsh Cup. I'd like to thank JD for their sponsorship of the competition, of course. I'd like to thank Mark Jones and Dylan Ebenezer for their assistance. And the draws, the games will be played on the weekend of September the 12th. Diolch I bawb am I help Dylan a Mark a JD yn oddwyr am gefnogi'r gystadleuaeth. Bydd yr holl gema yn cael eu chwarae ar benwythnos y 12fed o Fedi.